Vlog kami yan. Ay, TikTok pala.
I'm going home! Thank you so much, Matt. Thank you sa mga nanood ng vlog namin. Sa TikTok. Sa susunod ulit na Korea. And Vietnam.
And more.
Yeah.
Annyeonghaseyo, 여러분. So, nandito ako sa loob ng Gyeongbokgung Palace. So, gabi. Hindi kami pwede pumasok. So, that's why ito lang. So, ayun lang naman. Hanggang dito lang kami. Hi, everyone. So, we're now here in Korea again. So, meron daw event dito. So, magtatagalog na ako. I have a friend, Korean friend. He can't understand me, but anyway. So, pakita natin. Let's show.
Wow!
그대는 선물입니다. 하늘이 내려준 홀로서 세상 속에 그대 지켜줄게요. 어느 날 문득 소나기처럼.
Ayun, last day na ni G ngayon. So, nag-snow. Mas malakas daw snow today. So, yun na naman. Bili na lang ako ng medyas. Wala pala akong tights. Grabe. So, bili na lang ako. Medyas meron ako. Pero yung tights hindi na. So, bibili na lang ako kasi mag-shopping naman kami. Okay, so, yeah. Grabe guys. So, nag-snow. Snowy day. Today is snowy day. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi!
Uwi na si Angie. Oh my God, mag-isa na ako dito. Miss ko siya. Chat naman kami. Tsaka magkita pa rin naman. Taga Bulacan lang naman.
Vietnam.
Vietnam kami sa next. Pero, ayun. Abangan niyo ang mga ganap. So, lakas ng snow. Yan.
Kailangan ko pala magpagawa ng passport muna.
Oo nga. Sana din talaga habang nandito ako mabalik pa rin talaga. Napapagawa siya pag wala talaga. Nabalik.
Pagbalik mo, saka ako magpapadala.
Oo. So, let's pray guys. Grabe guys, hindi kasi no. Yangge, oh my God, siya ay nagluluto. Pauwi na siya ng Pinas. Later. Ako may iwan. Miss ko siya. Mag-isa na ako, oh my God. Luto-luto din. May iwan. Unlimited ulit. Dito ulit kami. Pero, nahiya pa. Nahiya pa. Ay, nasunta doon.
Pag naluto na, ito pwede mo na, pwede na bukasin. Ito kakalagay mo. Mahirap mo. Mahirap. Sa'yo na lang muna. Okay.
Anong oras ba flight? 8. Yun na yung pinaka-last flight. 8.
Ha?
Pinaka-last flight na yung 8. Na pinili mo that time.
Sa, ano kasi yun eh, Clark ako.
Ah, Clark. Mas mura.
Ano, mas mahal ng konti. Kaso ganun din magagastos mo sa Skyway.
Oo, tapos.
Malilis yung Skyway pag sinundo ako.
Hi guys, so kain na kami ni Kuya Angket. Video.
Balik na rin mo na.
Binablog kita. Pasa ko rin sa'yo to. Tikman mo na nga kung masarap. Masarap ba ulit? Pangalawang beses na natin yan.
Anong pangalan mo?
Yung pinapipaste ko sa'yo kasi nakahanggul. Teka, di ko pa sa'yo.
Ah, sorry. Yung ba?
Ang basa dyan. W-O yan, pero
Pure grilled meat.
sarap.
Sarap ng wasabi.
Ano nga, gusto mo nga. Second round ko na to ng kanin at mga ulo. Dito ulit kami kumain sa kinain na namin last time.
Lakas mo talaga sa rice. Ang galing mo. Hindi mo kaya ng friend ko madami.
Hindi mo kailan ang last mong nag-extra rice ka? Nung magkasama tayo nila Rich, diba kumain ka ng dalawang kanin? Oh, nasa Han River.
Parang hindi.
Hindi ba? Ay, kinain ko rin pala yung kanin mo noon, di ba? Binigay niyo sa akin. Guys, ang lakas ko daw sa kanin. Tapos, saan kayo na pupunta? Saan kayo na pupunta yung mga, ano? Gusto ko kasi sa pisngi. Pero pag puyat kasi, pumapayat talaga yung mukha ko. Eh, ilang araw na tayong 3 oras ito.
Magabi na ka natulog mo.
4 yung ako.
Saan ba?
Hindi ako nakatulog kasi nagkape. Iba yung epekto sa akin kanina. Ay, kagabi.
Parang naka-7 siguro ako.
Wow.
9 na ako nagising, 9:30 na.
Tama,
9:20 kami.
8:30 ako gumising kasi naligo pa ako ng buhok. Saka buong katawan.
Natulog ako mga 7.
Ah.
Ay, 7 tuloy. 2:30 pa lang.
Saan na tayo natulog sa Korea? Uwi na si G. Oh my God. Ito na aming huling lunch dito sa ngayon. Together.
Gusto mo pa ba?
Na ano?
Ng meat?
Mga pa?
Hindi, ikaw.
Ikaw?
Enough na ako.
Okay na. Kita ka? Kita ko sa video. Hindi ko na makita. Kita ka?
Kain ko.
Hello! So, Angie, kumakain na kami. After nito, magtatanguro-tanguro, Olivium, and hanap sa saglit ang maleta. Tapos, hatid ko siya sa sakayan. Oh my God, parang feeling ko mayroong ka-LDR na alis. Pero yun. Dito, or mamaya pa mag-e-end ng aming Korea trip with Angie. So, yeah. Later. Kumakain pa kami. Matatapos naman na kami kumain. Kasi may time kami inaano. Kahapon chill na chill kami. Pero buti nakabiti na kami ng snow. Wala rin pala talagang time today. Ayun. So, bye-bye! Yan. Bablog kami yan. Ay, TikTok pala. Haji! Ako, makaka-copyright tayo. Ano ba yan? Copyright. Voice over na lang. So, guys, kami ay kumakain. Ang kulit ng audios ito.
Mag-teaching pala na lang ako.
Sa inchon. Nasaan na si Sajang Lim? Sajang Lim. Hi, G. Ano natin sabi?
I'm going home! 10 days. Hindi pa sure. Baka mag-11 kasi baka ma-delay yung flight. Dahil malakas ang snow mamaya. Sana hindi ma-delay yung flight at makauwi ko ako ng safe. Thank you so much, man. Thank you sa mga nanood ng vlog namin. Sa susunod ulit na Korea and Vietnam.
And more. At yung, so marami kaming mga gamit dito. Ito kay G. Mga bagay dito. Yan. Ito binili ko. Ayan mga dala ni G. Uuwi na siya.
At ito ang airport bus.
Oo nga, airport bus. Ayan. So, ano masabi mo? Mamiss mo Korea? Yeah. Guys, naninigas na kami dito kaya bye-bye na. Annyeong!
Bye!
A few moments later.
Annyeong G! Bye-bye! Ayan guys, so ako ay grabe. Pauwi ako sa hotel ko. Pahinga na ako. Wala na yung friend ko, so pahinga na ako. Lalakad ako dito. Snow. Kala ko buhay. Hindi.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, so araw na ngayon. Ang gabi pala. Super late kung lalabas. Nandudry yung skin ko. Oh my gosh. Yan. Pilipino ata yun kasi nagtatagalog. Baka same kami ng hotel. Char. So, yeah, lamig. Ala yung gloves ko, naiwan ko. Shit. Hiyap na nga. Lakad ako. Diba? Ay, naan ko ba itong sapatos ko? Walking sa lamig. Ang lamig. Diba naman gala to? 9 o'clock? Ang totoo. Diba pupunta? Hi guys, we're here Ganghamun, so we're gonna see Gyeongbokgung at night. And yeah, I will speak in Tagalog, okay? Guys, ako ay may kasama akong friend but shy daw siya. He's shy, so he doesn't want to join here. Okay, so I'll just film myself. So it's cold here in Korea. It's already 9:30 p.m. There's no snow anymore. Annyeong! Okay, hi guys. So ito nga pala yung Ganghamun sa gabi. Lamig is, it means cold. It's so cold. Because umuusok na yung bibig ko dito. So, yun, dito naglalakad. Usually, I'm just walking here if it's like hindi gabi, ganun. Annyeonghaseyo, 여러분. So, nandito ako sa loob ng Gyeongbokgung Palace. So, gabi. Hindi kami pwede pumasok. So, that's why ito lang. So, ayun lang naman. Hanggang dito lang kami. So, kaya may kasama akong friend. Pero hindi kasi, may shy siya. He's shy. So, sana makita nyo rin siya soon. Annyeong! Co-workers?
No.
Wow, snow. Yeah. Only Koreans. Hi guys, so naglalakad kami papuntang Angguk ulit. My friend is shy. You cannot see him yet. We don't know in the future. if you can see my new friend. Yeah. Hangguk Saram. Snow, 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 snow.
I will translate.
Hey guys, ito daw ay museum. So, I cannot read because it's so far. Is it so, what's that? Let me just check. I'm just going around. Huh. I remember my photographer friend and I went here. Yeah. I had photos. What's that? Museum of Crafts. Yeah. And there's an English there's an English translator there. Okay, so yeah, this is a museum. Oh, yeah. Have you been there? No? Maybe? Zombieland. No people, no tourists. Where is this? Is this still in Angkok? No? Angkok. Yeah. In Sadong? Angkok. Different. Just near. Yeah. Hi guys. So we're here at outside Buksan Hanok. So walang ilaw dyan. Dito na kami. Hindi na kami pupunta saan man yan. At walang tao dito. Yeah. So wala na mga puntahan, kaya gugoro na kami. Annyeong! Ghost town, guys. Walking. No people at all. Yeah. Here. So, we're still walking and looking for like a place where we can drink, eat. But everywhere it's closed because of holidays.
Tomorrow.
Guys, ano ba to? So, yeah. Bukas maaga na ako lalaka. So, ngayon nga, medyo gabi na naman. 8 PM. Oh my God. Dracula yun. Pero last na pahinga na to. Last na chill na to. So, yeah. I mean, bukas maaga na akong gagala ulit. So, malamig pa rin ngayon. Kahit walang but still, malamig. Pulang-pula and black ang outfit for today. Yeah. Guys, ang lamig. Gagi. Ano naman temperature? -7 ata ang nakalagay dun sa ano. Sobrang lamig.
Wow!
Guys, napakalamig. Sobra. So, yeah. Ang lamig. Grabe. Orange. Tingnan ko lang tong orange. Ang bago. Ang dry ng balat ko ngayon.
지금 반화를 열차가 들어오고 있습니다. The train for 반화.
I do vlogs and TikTok, YouTube, so yeah, this one. Is there an event? Is there an event?
Yeah. Actually, this show is
There's a
light
show?
and sound the kind of amazing, but this last year have the accident, airplane accident.
Airplane?
Oh. So many people die. So
Oh my God.
now national sad song.
Oh. How old are you?
32.
Sir, we have the same age.
1992. Two?
Yeah.
Oh, 1994.
1994 ba? Korean age.
Korean.
You don't want to take videos. Yeah. So what are these? What's that? Royal heading to Gwanghwamun Gate? Is it like history or something? This one?
Traditional,
Ah.
long time history.
Oh.
Just a long time ago.
Long time ago. Yeah. Why are you shy? I take videos so that I can watch it again, you know, in the future. I do vlogs and YouTube, TikTok. Okay, so you're shy.
Then, do you have a YouTube channel or the kind of?
Yeah, and TikTok, Instagram. So that's why I'm here taking videos, photos.
How many years did you learn?
What?
How many years
8.
doing the kind
Yeah.
of SNS channel?
So, but then yeah, YouTube, I started again. TikTok, I think 2 years.
Oh.
So, yeah. Instagram long, but I'm still, you know, starting again. So how about you? Do you have Instagram or
I have. I just watching people. Friends. Don't upload anything.
You just watch your
Yeah.
friends. Hi everyone. So we're now here in Korea again. So meron daw event dito. So magtatagalog na ako. I have a friend, Korean friend. He can't understand me but anyway. So I don't know, but there's an event today and hindi naman to araw-araw nakikita dyan. So pakita, can you show them? Yeah. Yeah, we're looking for a beautiful spot to take pictures with and see you later. Bye-bye. It's okay.
Finish?
Yeah, finish. How about singing? So, can you sing?
I think so.
You prefer foreigners? Why? Why you don't like Korean girlfriends?
I don't know. Just
Or Korean
feeling
girlfriends?
like Korean people little selfish. I think.
I think, oh, so are you selfish as well?
Me?
You? Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
I don't know about me.
Yeah.
People know about me, but I think I don't know about me.
Yeah. Oh, it's so long. So it's so cute to see this one because when I went here, there's nothing. I mean, there's no something like that. Wow. So this is just an event, like for New Year.
Yeah, for New Year.
How was your New Year celebration?
Today, yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
But I did
Yeah, Thailand.
so many times. You like travel
Yeah, how about you? Do you like traveling?
or Thailand?
You
one
kind
time.
of look like.
I
Did they
was
tell?
dancing in the department store. The Super Junior. Sorry.
Sorry.
I dancing the dance.
Yeah. Me multiple. I don't know why. Yeah. But Korea passport is strong. You know.
Strong.
Yeah. You can go to many countries without
without
applying for visa. So you should like take advantage of it.
Before I had. Yeah, I'm not boss anymore.
Yeah, it's hard. If you're not a boss, you don't have the time to travel.
Yeah.
That's why. Why did you create your online shopping?
In pandemic, first fall down. Business.
Because of the pandemic.
And second business is during pandemic.
So nice. Yeah, I want to take photos. Hi everyone. So, I don't know na may event pala dito sa bandang what's ano to? Oh, Cheonggyecheon stream. So, may event pala dito and magaganda yung mga ilaw-ilaw. So, ito, gusto ko yung Paris Olympics and yeah, bego pa. So, we're gonna eat. My friend is shy right now, but later I don't know if he will like papayag mag-video with me. So, yeah, thank you. So, pakita natin. Let's show. Let's go there. So, hinahanap kami ng kainan. Lalakad kami after ng dito lang sa Seoul. Soy sauce. Okay. Veggie, kalpi. Not spicy, okay?
Yeah, sweet.
Sweet. So, we're now here, but my friend doesn't want to be shown on the video, so no face. Only food. Only food, yeah. He's shy, guys. But he looks like Tres Chivon. Super Junior. Sorry. It's so cold in Korea, my god. Ayan na, paparating na ang aking train, guys. Grabe, ang lamig, grabe.